Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use Signal Private Messenger step by step. Today we will learn how to control font size text. Let me show you how can we do that. Click on Signal app icon. Press on three dots which shown on top right. Click on Setting. Press on Chats. Click on Message Font Size. Here is message font size from small, normal, large, extra large. Let's try small and extra large to show the difference between both of them. First click on small. Go back. Click on contact and text something like hi. You will find that message font size is very small. Let's try extra large. Go back. Click on three dot. Setting. Chats. Message font size. We'll press on extra large. Go back to the same chat. You will find that message font size is extra large. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful and you are interested in this type of video, you can subscribe our channel. Also, you can leave your comment. We will do our best to respond all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.